Okay, so in the experience portion of our HyperDoc, we are going to complete a group response. You're going to take 10 to 15 minutes to explore a social media tool of your choice. You can add individuals or groups to your PLN, and then each member will complete 2 slides under the Personal Learning Network Experience slides by clicking on that link. Here are the directions again if you need them, but each person is going to complete a slide. You're going to include either 2 images or descriptions of people or groups outside of your school that you either have had in your PLN or just added. And you can tell us how they help support you now or how you hope they support you in the future. Going on to the next slide, you're going to do the same thing, but you're going to add images or descriptions of people or groups inside your school that are part of your PLN. And you can again, please explain how you hope they will help you or how they do support you already. Each member will complete 2 slides, and then you're going to share your link. Going back to the HyperDoc, you will share your link down here in the paste link section of your completed slides. And here again are the directions if you need them. Thank you.